का पहला सवाल आपसे नीलू ये है कि आप ट्रेनिंग ज़ोन में हैं, राइट? और इतने सालों से आप इतने सारे लोगों को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, कोच कर रहे हैं, कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं। नाउ despite all these training tools that are around, that have been created, these systems, feedback is still one of the hardest things that leaders have to do. And in
Mm-hmm.
your experience, what do you think is the real reason that leaders struggle to give or receive feedback? और इस पैटर्न को बदला कैसे जाए?
Amazing. Very interesting question, Prashant. In fact, back to basics is something that we need to remember always because when we start chasing bigger things, हम जब बड़ी-बड़ी चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, वो छोटे-छोटे nuances हम कहीं ना कहीं भूल जाते हैं, which definitely adds a lot of value, and that's the foundation, like you were saying. Before I answer that question, I'll just share a small incident with you. So
जी.
this was about a friend of mine. हमारे कुछ conversation हो रहे थे in the past where there were a group of friends we were talking, and one of the person shared some sort of a analysis कि this is your pattern, this is what you do, and the person really got very offended. The similar thing happened after a week. This person जिनके साथ ये conversation हुई थी वो अपने में खुद से एक reel देख रहे थे, and these days reels give you a lot of stories,
Hmm.
etc. So he was watching this reel, and he sent out a link in the group of these friends and said, this is me. This is where I am currently. This is what I'm experiencing. एंड जिस दोनों फ्रेंड के बीच में कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ था उसने मुझे डीएम किया, उसने मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज किया, weren't we talking about this exact same thing? So that just made me realize that
Hmm.
what was the difference between जब एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान को कुछ बोल रहा था, where did that
Hmm.
retaliation, where did that defense come in? And when this person was watching a reel independently, why was it so easy to
Hmm.
absorb? And
Very
couple
interesting.
of lessons that came out from here, feedback कहाँ रुक जाता है या फिर कहाँ पे defense face करता है. That's because
Hmm.
either one is a non-threatening environment. When this person was watching a
Hmm.
reel, there was no, there was absolute psychological safety. It wasn't threatening the person in any
Hmm.
way. That was one. The second one was it was not personal. It was not felt like an attack. It's a reel.
Hmm.
There's no person involved. So that made
Correct.
it easy for the person. And the third thing
Hmm.
was that it was there was no scope of retaliation. So this is
Hmm.
what I really felt, that jab hamara feedback is neutral, non-threatening,
Interesting.
and it's not person specific, but rather the action specific or problem specific, that's when it lands really
Hmm.
well. And yahi kahin na
Hmm.
kahin becomes a challenge in leadership.